How to fix TikTok photo mode missing. First of all, head over to your settings. Scroll down and move into system. Head over to system update. So right here you need to make sure that your software or system is up to date. If it's not up to date, then you need to update it to the latest version. Now the next thing you need to do is go back and head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok. Move into this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, it means that your application has not been updated to the latest version, and it might be the reason you are facing the issue. In this case, all you gotta do is tap on update and update the application. Once it is done, you can head over to your application TikTok and check whether the photo mode feature is available or not. If it is still not available, then in the next step what you can do is go back to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to the application TikTok. Move into stories and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache of this application. Also you can clear the stories too. Clearing the cache and stories will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. If it still doesn't work for you, then all you can do is wait for the TikTok to update the feature into your TikTok account, and you'll be good to go. So this much for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.